This coffee is perfect for our chat today.
It really is. I'm excited about this topic. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to The English Way, the place where you learn English through real conversations about real life.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and today we've got something super fun and useful for beginners.
Yes, in this episode, we're going to share 10 short, simple English conversations that you can use every day.
Each one is real, natural, and easy to remember, perfect for levels A1, A2.
And don't worry, we'll explain everything slowly and clearly.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and practice because this episode will help you sound more natural in English.
Let's start with the most basic one, saying hello and goodbye.
Yeah, this one never gets old.
Example. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
See? Simple but friendly. You can use this everywhere, at school, at work, or when meeting new people.
Just remember to smile when you say it. That's the secret.
Okay, now imagine you meet someone new.
Like when you start a new class or job.
Example. Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Perfect. That's a friendly way to start any conversation.
And notice, short sentences, easy questions. That's how real English sounds.
All right, number 3. Shopping. Everyone does it.
Yes, this one happens all the time.
Example. Excuse me, how much is this apple?
It's $1.
Okay, I'll take 3, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Super easy. You can change apple to bread, milk, or anything you buy.
And don't forget to say please and thank you. Polite English matters. My favorite. Coffee time.
Of course. Okay, here's the example.
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, small or large.
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That's $3.50.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So polite and simple. Just remember, can I have is the magic phrase for ordering.
Exactly. Not, I want. Say, can I have? It sounds softer and friendlier. Jake, this one is super useful if you travel abroad.
Yes, imagine you're lost in a new city.
Example. Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight, then turn left. It's next to the bank.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Easy, right? Always start with, excuse me. It's polite and natural.
And go straight, turn left, right are simple direction words everyone should know. And now let's try a phone call.
I'll be the caller. You be the receiver.
Got it.
Hello, is Emma there?
Speaking. Who's this?
Hi, it's Jake. Are you free to talk?
Sure. What's up?
Just wanted to say hi.
That's nice.
Simple, friendly, and useful.
If you're shy on the phone, practice this one. It helps you sound confident. Okay, number 7, at work or school.
Yes, this one's good for beginners in offices or classrooms.
Example. Hi, Jake. Can you help me with this file?
Sure, what do you need?
I can't open it.
No problem. Let me check.
Thanks so much.
Anytime.
That's friendly teamwork English.
And no problem and anytime sound very natural in English.
Now we're at a restaurant. My favorite topic again.
Of course. Okay, here's the example.
Good evening. Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I'd like some pasta and water.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay, your food will be ready soon.
That's a classic restaurant talk.
And I'd like sounds polite and easy, great for beginners.
All right, our last one. Making plans with a friend.
Nice and easy.
Example. Hey, Jake, are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. Why?
Let's go to the park.
Sounds good. What time?
Maybe at 3 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
That's everyday English.
Yes, friendly, short, and fun. You can say this anytime when making plans.
Okay, let's quickly review the 10 conversations. 1. Saying hello and goodbye.
2. Meeting someone new.
3. Shopping.
4. Ordering at a cafe.
5. Asking for directions.
6. Making a phone call.
7. At work or school.
8. Visiting a doctor.
9. At a restaurant.
10. Making plans.
Nice! Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
Hi, how are you?
My name is...
Can I have a coffee, please?
Where is the train station?
I have a headache.
Let's go to the park.
Awesome.
Friends, remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident and natural.
Yes, even small, simple sentences can make you sound fluent.
Practice one short conversation every day, and soon you'll be speaking with confidence.
And if you liked this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Tell us in the comments, which conversation was your favorite today?
We might use your answers in our next episode.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep doing it the English way. Bye!
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Goodbye.